Write the first four terms of the sequences defined by the formulas in 1 through 6. This sequence is defined as E sub n equals the floor of n divided by 2 all times 2 for every integer n greater than or equal to 0. So now our index variable is n, and n iterates from 0 instead of 1. That means the first term in our sequence is going to be E sub 0. And we find E sub 0 by plugging in 0 into this formula wherever we see the variable n. So this is the floor of 0 over 2 times 2. Now 0 over 2 is 0, and the floor of 0 is 0, and 0 times 2 is 0. So the first term in the sequence is 0. Now we iterate by one step to get E sub 1, and now my input variable n, and now my index variable n is 1. So this is the floor of 1 over 2, all times 2. Now the floor of 1/2 is 0, and 0 times 2 is also 0. So E sub 1 is also 0. The next term in the sequence, which is the third term, even though this is E sub 2, this is still the third term. Now this is the floor of 2 divided by 2, all times 2. Now 2 over 2 is 1, and the floor of 1 is 1, and 1 times 2 is 2. And for the fourth term, which is E sub 3, we're taking the floor of 3/2, and we're multiplying that by 2. The floor of 3/2 is 1, and 1 times 2 is 2. So the first four terms of the sequence are 0, 0, 2, 2. Thanks, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.